Hey everybody, I have a haul to share with you. I should not be spending money, but I am. I, of course, had to have the Pinkfresh Studio Indigo, what is this? Indigo Blues? Indigo Hills collection. I think it's Indigo Hills. Yes. And I absolutely love it. And then I picked up some other things. I went for this stamp set. This is what I really wanted. And then I kind of just built my cart. I am very proud of myself though, because I had twice as much in my cart than as I actually got. So I'm actually pretty proud of myself. All right, so I'm gonna start with this randomness first, and then we'll get into the Pinkfresh Studio collection. So I've been wanting this Nuvo Glimmer paste for quite some time. This is the Moonstone. I've seen so many fun techniques using like inks, and then you like spread it on top of the ink with a stencil, and then it kind of picks up some of that color, and just lots of fun stuff with this. I'm not a big glitter person, but we'll see if I use it. I think I might eventually, maybe for some Christmas cards or something. All right, next thing I got was some of these scrapbook.com double-sided foam adhesives. These are an exclusive. They have circles and squares. They have like collections of a mix of them, different sizes. I got these because I like them to pop up my sentiments and things like that. So that's that. And then I got the pen sketched flowers, whoops, from Altenew. This stamp set is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot get over how gorgeous this is. So, so pretty. So as always, it has beautiful packaging, and it looks like the inside has some ideas. I love that they're doing that now. When I use the stamp set, I will definitely go over all of that. And I love these small sentiments, because sometimes you really want the focal point to be like the flowers or an image, and you don't want to take away from that. So I really like this stamp set as well. All right. I meant to get another one of the other, I forget what it's called. It's another stencil from Ephemera. It kind of has this look, but it's a little bit different. I didn't mean to get this one. I meant to get a replacement for my other one because it's so gunky and dirty. But I kind of am glad that I made a mistake and got this one instead, because I don't have this one yet. And this Catherine Pooler stencil I've been eyeing for quite some time. This is called Swoop stencil. Really, really fun. And then this one I thought would be fun. It's from a Halloween collection, but I love circles, so I got it. It's from Carta, and it's called Cauldron Bubble Stencil. So it's that one. And then I also got a freebie. So a lot of times scrapbook.com will have freebies. This time it was a little mouse, and you have to go to the coupons and deals tab and then see what is the freebie. And then on Mondays as well, they have codes to up to 10% off a lot of times, and sometimes it's like 7% or something like that. But if you are wanting to make a purchase, Monday is a great day to do it, because then you get a little bit off of your order. So this was a freebie. All right, next to the Pinkfresh Studio yumminess, there's another collection that I've been eyeing, and I really, really want it. I got these mini Puffy alpha stickers. I don't really have many alpha stickers. Let's see. Oh, Indigo Hills 2, so there must be an Indigo Hills 1. Was not aware of that, but anyways, there's just a few, or 4 different colors, all the same font. So there's that. And then we got the Puffy stickers, which are super cute. Seize the day, happy thoughts, some leaves there. It's just a phase, completely obsessed, cause for applause. Oh, just one sheet there. And then I got the, what are these? Some sort of sticker, phrase stickers. So there's 2 sheets of these. There's lots of different phrases, and I love like the pop of color and texture and different designs on each sticker. I guess I can hold it up a little bit more here. I love these, super cute. Love the circles. All right, and then we have an ephemera pack. I'm just gonna hold it up. I'm not gonna take them all out so you guys can see. I love them. Love the florals and the sentiments, really, really cute. And then the rainbow, really pretty too. All right, I'm going to take the paper out of the package and show you guys the paper. All right, so here's a look at the paper. I don't think I've ever gotten a Pinkfresh Studio paper collection before. I have guest designed for the stamp portion of their company, but never gotten any of their paper collections, which they have amazing paper collections. And I absolutely love them and their stamps. Really, really great company. All right, so here's just a quick look. All right. And I believe you get 16 double-sided papers. I don't know if they're all the same or, all right, let's just look. These would be really pretty fussy cut. I love this. And the back is a nice design. Love these with the lined florals. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. I love that it's like a watercolor look and then with some splatters on the side here. Really, really pretty base page for a really gorgeous layout. All right, then we got this one. This collection I think I'm going to use for my daughter's dance photos. That's weird, there's like blue on this one. Huh. Anyways, she was in dance this last year and her outfit was purple, like this really pretty purple with like sequins and feathers and stuff. So okay, can we just take a moment please? How gorgeous is this? Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And it's a really nice paper as well. This is the whole reason why I got the paper collection, is because of this. I almost just got 2 of these papers, but I'm glad that I got the whole paper pack because oh my gosh, I wish I would have gotten, because this in itself is just so gorgeous. You can go like this or this way, kind of make, oh, the ideas are going crazy in my mind here. I just want to take another look at this one. This one is so pretty. All right, then we have this. Ooh, this one is really cool. All right, then we have this one. Really cool too. Nice flowers. Pretty florals. More. Okay, I'm gonna have to get, oh no, there is 2 of each. Oh, okay, I'm glad, because I was gonna say I'm going right now after I do this video and placing another order, because I cannot live with just one of some of these papers. Oh yeah, so this is the one that I started with, I believe. Yes, so there is 2 double-sided papers. Nice, 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 nice. All right. So I'll put these back. Whoops. right, I'm gonna put these back. So I don't know why I have been drawn more towards this style of paper collections. Like I have the Wolf Pack from, who's it from? Heidi Swap, I think. Let me see, I have some of the, yeah, from Heidi Swap. I'm working on a layout using that collection, and Pinkfresh Studio, Altenew, like all of these different companies that are more geared towards, well, not geared towards, but more simpler scrapbookers kind of tend to buy and create with. I'm not sure why I have been drawn to them more so than Prima and other different more like mixed media type of collections that I'm used to. So I think I need some more paper storage because I have so much catching up to do with all of these gorgeous collections. But anyways, that is going to be my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and remember, all of the links are in the description box down below. Be sure to check out the coupons and deals tab to make sure that you are getting the best deals, and if there is any freebies. I know every few months there is a free scrapbook and cards magazine. So you always want to make sure that you have that, snag that as soon as possible because they do run out and it is limited quantity. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I want to thank you guys again for watching and all of your support. I will catch you guys later. Bye.